Toyota Tacoma retractable bed cover. This is the 3rd gen body style, so this cover will fit at 2016 to 2022 5-foot box. This cover is locked. Once you secure it with the key, it's specific with the lock, so you can't open this until you take the key, unlock it, and then you can so this canister takes up roughly a foot of bed space, but you have plenty underneath to work with. Now the drain tubes on the Toyota Tacoma are optional because there is drilling required through the composite bed. This customer chose to leave them for now, but they're good to resist water from getting inside. Now it's a self-cleaning canister. There's no maintenance required. It clamps right into the factory bed rail. There's also no drilling required on the installation of the cover. This cover will lock anywhere along the rail. Once it locks down, there's a double barrel lock, so it's very secure. And this is the XR accessory ready rails. So you can add load bars, you can add a Yakima rack, you can use a lot of brands, work with the RetraxPRO XR. So this is heavy duty aluminum. It's loaded for a 500-pound capacity. You can stand on the cover if you need to. It's very durable. It's lifetime warranty nationwide through Retrax. And if you get one installed here, we'll service it for as long as you have it. Visit us in Phoenix or shop online, Truck Access Plus. We'll help you out. We're the bed cover experts and we'll look forward to taking care of you.